If anybody tells you there is specific area in our earth that will swallow you up if you go near the same, will you believe it? Well, you may reply, that only happens in fairy tales, isn't it? But there is really a triangle shaped area in the North Atlantic Ocean where aircrafts and ships mysteriously vanish. It lies between Puerto Rico, island of Bermuda, and Florida. It covers about 500,000 square miles of area. It all started back in 1492 when Christopher Columbus wrote down in his ship's logbook about some mysterious light, faulty compass readings, and fire falling in the sea while he was on a voyage in search of New World. The reason of faulty compass is in the magnetic field of the earth. Look, here is how a compass works. The reason for the compass to point towards north is because of the magnetic field affecting it. The only way to make a compass faulty is to create a neutral point. In simple words, neutral point is a region where like poles of two magnets face each other. As a result, the magnetic lines of force repel each other and create a region devoid of magnetic field lines, resulting the net magnetic force to be zero. The earth itself is a magnet, so there must be another magnet to create a neutral point. In 1950, when Edward Van Winkle Jones published an article in Miami Herald, an American daily, that described the sudden disappearance of aircrafts and ships in the Bermuda area, George Sand later came up with the characteristic triangular shape of the same. He wrote an article that reported the loss of Flight 19, a group of 5 US Navy's torpedo bombers on a training mission. Uncountable ships and aircrafts have literally vanished while traveling across it. The most recent accident took place in 2020. It was a 29 feet blue and white Marco Caribbean vessel with 20 on board, last seen publicly during departure on December 28, 2020. However, the sudden disappearance have led to different theories that may have led to the same. The theories span from wormholes, waterspouts, aliens, sea monsters, so on and so forth. God, and it is not even half of the list. Among these, the theory of the wormhole was the most intriguing. It is believed that a wormhole is a very small microparticle which is smaller than the substance quarks. These quarks made up a whole electron. It is theorized that these small wormholes are a gateway to the parallel dimension. Some science enthusiasts have summarized that somehow the ships and planes are traveling through the same instead of traveling overseas and reaching an unraveled land of the parallel universe. The Kraken Theory is the most believed speculation. It is postulated that the sea monster Kraken, which was larger than Titanic, came up from the ocean depths and pulled down every ship that came near its side. While some do not even take it to be a mystery at all, they say it is just us creating a fuss over nothing. In which theory of Bermuda Triangle do you believe? Do not forget to let us know in the comments. To know more about the universe we live in, stay connected to our channel.